Barney is a dinosaur, your imagination, and when he's tall, he's what you call a dinosaur sensation. Barney's friends are big and small, they come from lots of places, and when they're here, it's time to cheer and sing with happy faces. When BJ is playing too with his little sister Baby Bop, along with their cousin Rip and Scooter and Miss Etta, Barney comes to play with us whenever we may need him. Barney can be your friend too if you just make believe him. Whoa! Hello there! It's me, Barney. I'm Barney. Today we're going to help Baby Bop get ready for school, and we're also going to help Scooter get over a bad case of sneezes. It's gonna be super duper. Oh, oh, oh no. I'm so nervous. Oh, hi Barney. Hi Baby Bop. Hi Baby Bop. Are you almost ready for your first day of school? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I'm ready yet. Oh, it's okay, Baby Bop. We'll help you get ready. What do you do in school? Well, what do you do? What do you do in school? Oh, in school you help to. It helps you learn to read and paint, and you learn about different shapes. Whoa, shapes? Cool, shapes? Wow, wow. But Barney, I don't know how to read yet. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. School will teach you how to read. How to read too. Oh, right. That means I get to read my favorite book. Yep. Oh, goody. Don't worry, I'm gonna go get it now. Books are fun, books are great. Let's sit down with a book today. Books are fun, books are great. Is it book time yet? Oh, I just can't wait to read a book. Here it is. Do you know why I love to read a book? Why I get so happy every time I take a look? Because books can take me anywhere that I want to go. Books help my imagination grow. Books are fun. Books are great. Let's sit down with a book today. Books are fun. Books are great. Is it book time yet? Oh, I just can't wait to read a book. Books are fun. Books are great. Let's sit down with a book today. Books are fun. Books are great. Isn't book time yet? Oh, I just can't wait to read a book. To read a book. Read a book. Mm, mm, I just love to read. I just love to read. Yeah, me too. Me too. My favorite book has to do. My favorite book is about a squirrel. Is about a squirrel farm. Ooh, ooh. Now that sounds interesting. Interesting. Mm. That must be a really funny book. Wow. Who knew reading would be so fun? Who knew reading would be so much fun? So, Barney, what else do you do in school? Well, well, you can mix colors. You can mix colors like red and yellow. Oh, look. Wow. Oh, it made a whole new color. A whole new color. Yeah. Do you know what color that is? Orange. Right. Yeah. You're right, Baby Bob. It is orange. When you mix red and yellow, it makes orange. Mix red and yellow, it makes orange. When you mix these two, you see a new color magically. When you mix red and yellow, it makes orange. Well, when you mix blue and yellow, it makes green. When you mix blue and yellow, it makes green. When you mix blue and when you mix these two, you see a new color magically. When you mix blue and yellow, it makes green. When you mix blue and red, it makes purple. When you mix blue and red, it makes purple. When you mix blue and red, it makes purple. Purple. When you mix these two, you see a new color magically. When you mix blue and red, it makes purple. Who knew mixing colors would be so much fun? Would be so much fun. Well, Baby Bob, there's one more thing we do. There's one more thing to do in school. There's one more thing to do in school. And it's super duper. What is? What is it? What is it? It's you can learn about shapes. You can learn about shapes in school. Oh, shapes. That sounds like fun. Like this. Can you find a sheep like this and tell me what its name is? Oh, here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. And these are all called circles. Great job. Can you find a shape like this and tell me what its name is? Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. And these are all called squares. One more time. Can you find a sheep like this and tell me what its name is? Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. And these are all called triangles. That song sounds so familiar. That song sounds so familiar. That song sounds so familiar. Familiar. I wonder what it is. I think it's Bingo, Scooter. Oh, Bingo is his name. Oh, that makes sense. So, Baby Bop, are you ready? So, Baby Bop, are you ready for school now? Oh, yeah, I'm super excited. Yeah, I'm super excited. That's great. That's great. Hey, Sissy, it's time for your first day at school. Oh boy, oh boy. Bye, Barney. Thanks for helping me. Bye. Have a great day. Ah, ah. Nothing like a day out here in the achoo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready to have? Are you ready to have some fun outside? Yeah. Yeah. We're totally ready. Well. First thing you should do is wash your hands. Is wash your hands. Before we should wash our hands before we go outside. Yeah, yeah, because germs are always around. Squishy, squishy, squashy. Give your hands a washy. Squishy, squishy, squashy. Give your hands a washy. We can't wear out our skin, so we can't wear out our skin. So squishy, squashy, wash your hands all clean. Germs are oh so small. Germs are oh so small. You can't see them at all. You can't see them at all. You can't taste them. You can't see them. But after you wash, I wouldn't want to be them. So squishy, squashy, wash your hands all clean. Squishy, squishy, squashy. Wanna give your hands a washy. Squishy, squishy, squashy. Give your hands a washy. You can't wear out your skin. So squishy, squashy, wash your hands all clean. You can't wear out your skin. So squishy, squashy, wash your hands all clean. Ah, ah, achoo! What was that? It It sounded like Scooter. It sounded like Scooter. Ah, Achoo! Oh, Scooter, why can't? What's wrong? I don't know this, Hannah. I think I have a case of achoo! Squirrel sneezes. Hi, Scooter. Hi, Miss Etta. Hi, Miss Etta. Hi, Barney. Hi, Barney and Friends. Hi, Barney. Hi, friends. I think Scooter. I'm pretty sure Scooter. Scooter here I have the achoo. Squirrel sneezes. Squirrel sneezes. Squirrel sneezes? What? What are the squirrel sneezes? It's when a squirrel can't stop achoo! Sneezing. No. Oh, don't worry, Scooter. Don't worry, Scooter. We'll help you get rid of your sneezes. Achoo! I like the way you move when you sneeze Scooter. Oh, I guess it is pretty funny. Achoo! Achoo! When I feel happy, I can smile, the biggest smile I know. Then you can see my happy show. Ha ha ha! Hee. Come on, get silly and laugh with me. Achoo! Giggle, gaggle, wiggle, giggle, gaggle, wiggle, waggle, ho ho ho! When you're feeling happy, let it show. Achoo! I've got the sillies, and when I get them, you'll be silly like me. I can't stop laughing, as you can see. Ha ha ha, hee hee hee. Come on, get silly and laugh with me. Giggle, gaggle, wiggle, waggle, ho ho ho. When you really got the sillies, let it show. I've got a jiggle. It makes me wiggle. It makes me giggle too. I can't hold it in, I've got to giggle. Ha ha ha, hee hee hee. Come on, get silly and laugh with me. Giggle, gaggle, wiggle, waggle, ho ho ho, achoo. When you got the sillies, when you're feeling happy, when you got a tickle, let it show. Now what can we do to help? What can we do to help you with your sneezes? Well, when I get the sneezes, I usually just rest for a little bit. Yeah. That's a good point, Scooter. You should probably rest for a little bit. Yeah, you're right. Thank you, baby. Achoo! Thank you, Baby Bop. No. Now, Scooter, I'll be around in case you need me. Scooter, it might help if you cover your mouth when you sneeze. It might help if you cover your mouth when you sneeze. Really? Yeah. 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 No matter what, you should always keep your sneeze to yourself. Two. With our friends at school would play. We share and share like each day. We share and share like each day. I'll share a ball. You'll share a game. You'll share with me. We'll do the same. But there's one thing you should not share. Achoo! Keep your sneeze to yourself. Don't spread your germs with anyone else. Get a tissue from the shelf and keep your sneeze to yourself. Every time after a sneeze, give your hands a scrub. Give your hands a scrub. Use a little soap, please. If you think you're going to sneeze, get a tissue from the shelf. I will. And keep your sneeze to yourself. Wow. Wow, that really works. So, hey Scooter, how are your sneezes going? You know what, Barney? You know what, Barney? I don't feel like sneezing anymore. Or, in fact, I feel much better. That's wonderful, Scooter. See, you just needed to rest. Today we helped Baby Bop get ready for school, and we also helped Scooter out with his sneezes. And helping people out is just another way of saying I love you. I love you. You love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're best friends, like friends should be, with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?